Imagine this: just one glass of water mixed with a common kitchen ingredient could have profound effects on your body. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today, we're diving into the surprising benefits of drinking baking soda water, and why some experts are now recommending it. From easing heartburn and aiding digestion to improving muscle recovery, enhancing oral health, balancing pH levels, and even supporting kidney function, you won't want to miss what this simple drink can do. Today's topic might surprise you: how a simple glass of baking soda water could potentially transform your well-being. We're talking about relief from acid reflux, enhanced digestion, faster muscle recovery, improved oral health, and more. So what exactly happens when you drink baking soda water? Let's break it down, starting with your body's pH balance. Host: baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is alkaline. When you consume it, it helps to neutralize acids in your body. This can be particularly beneficial if you suffer from acid reflux or heartburn. Drinking baking soda water may provide quick relief by balancing your stomach's pH levels and reducing the burning sensation. Speaking of digestion, baking soda water can also aid in digestion and relieve bloating. It acts as an antacid, helping to break down food more efficiently and reducing the discomfort that comes with indigestion. Plus, it can help you burp, which releases trapped gas and alleviates bloating. But it doesn't stop there. Did you know that baking soda water can also help with exercise recovery? When you work out, your muscles produce lactic acid, which can lead to soreness. The alkalinity of baking soda water helps to neutralize this acid, potentially reducing muscle fatigue and speeding up recovery. Another surprising benefit: baking soda water can promote oral health. Rinsing your mouth with baking soda water can help neutralize acids that cause tooth decay and bad breath. It's a simple and effective way to maintain a healthy mouth. And here's something many people don't know: baking soda water could support kidney function. Some studies suggest that it helps slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing the acidity in the blood, which lightens the load on your kidneys. Of course, it's always important to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen. Believe it or not, baking soda water might also benefit your skin. By helping to balance your body's pH levels, it could improve your skin's appearance, reducing acne and promoting a more even complexion. While you shouldn't expect overnight miracles, some people swear by its subtle yet effective impact on skin health. So, to recap, drinking baking soda water can help neutralize stomach acid, aid digestion, reduce muscle fatigue, improve oral health, support your kidneys, and even enhance your skin. But remember, moderation is key. Too much baking soda can have the opposite effect, leading to imbalances and other issues. Start with a small amount, like 1/4 teaspoon in a glass of water, and see how your body responds. Who knew that such a simple remedy could have so many benefits? Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried baking soda water? What was your experience? Drop a comment below, and let's get the conversation started. Host: and if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural health tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, check out our next video where we'll be exploring more easy ways to boost your health. Until next time, stay healthy and stay informed.